of our distinguished colleagues, as well as for the information of the general public, that yesterday there was a newspaper, a media report that an attempt or a coup to impeach His Excellency, distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio as President of the Senate was botched by one of our colleagues, His Excellency, distinguished Senator Orji Uzor Kalu. And Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Senate, sitting as President of the Senate, called my attention to this, and both of us tried to speak with His Excellency, distinguished Senator Orji Uzor Kalu. And he eventually returned the call, and from my discussions with Senator Orji Uzor Kalu, it was obvious to me that it was quoted out of context. And the reason I'm standing up to make this clarification is that there was no attempt by any of our colleagues here. There was in fact no discussion around the possibility or otherwise of the removal of His Excellency, distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio as President of the Senate. And we are not taking this misinformation for granted, because we know that at this time, it's not only that we are all united behind the leadership of His Excellency Senator Godswill Akpabio as President of the Senate, we are also developing a zero level of tolerance to distraction, because there are very urgent issues of public importance that we need to attend to in this Senate. And we're trying to ensure that we prevent any form of distraction. And such a report like that to us was aimed at also causing distraction and also trying to create confusion on the minds of members of public. We are totally united in this Senate, and there is no tension in this Senate. And as far as we are concerned, there is no reason for us to begin to contemplate the removal of any of our presiding officers. So I just wanted to state this for the record, Mr. President.
Thank you, our capacitation. All and sundry, please take note. Thank you very much.